We all know that food is essential for life. But what if I told you that food could also be your strongest weapon against cancer? This isn't about miracle cures or restrictive diets. It's about understanding the powerful role our daily food choices play in either fueling or fighting disease. Every day, our bodies wage a silent war against cancer cells. Our diet can either arm our defenses or weaken them. By choosing foods rich in specific cancer-fighting compounds, we can tip the scales in our favor. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making every bite count. This essay explores the science behind these superfoods and provides practical tips to incorporate them into your daily life. We'll delve into the world of berries, leafy greens, and nuts, revealing their hidden powers against cancer. Get ready to transform your plate into a powerful shield against cancer. It's time to eat for our health and empower ourselves with every bite. Berries are nutritional powerhouses bursting with flavor and cancer-fighting properties. These vibrant fruits are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber, all of which play a role in protecting our cells from damage. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are particularly rich in anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are powerful antioxidants that give berries their vibrant colors and have been shown to inhibit tumor growth. Studies have linked berry consumption to a reduced risk of several cancers, including colorectal, esophageal, and oral cancers. One study found that women who ate more than 3 servings of blueberries and strawberries per week had a 34% lower risk of heart attack. Adding berries to your diet is simple and delicious. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or dried in smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or on their own as a satisfying snack. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are nutritional superstars. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they are essential for overall health and cancer prevention. These greens are particularly rich in glucosinolates, which are sulfur-containing compounds that break down into cancer-fighting agents. These compounds help neutralize carcinogens, protect DNA from damage, and slow tumor growth. Research suggests that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts may lower the risk of certain cancers, including lung, stomach, and colon cancer. Incorporate leafy greens into your diet by adding them to salads, smoothies, soups, stews, or simply sautéing them with garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. Don't underestimate the power of nuts and seeds. These small but mighty foods are packed with healthy fats, fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals that can help ward off cancer. Walnuts in particular are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and phytosterols, all of which have been linked to reduced cancer risk. Studies suggest that eating just a handful of walnuts a day may slow the growth of prostate cancer cells. Flax seeds are another cancer-fighting champion. They are an excellent source of lignans, plant compounds that have antioxidant properties and may help reduce tumor growth. Add nuts and seeds to your diet by sprinkling them on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal, or enjoy them as a snack. Nut butters are also a great way to incorporate these healthy fats into your diet. The cancer-fighting properties of these superfoods lie in their unique combination of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals. These compounds work synergistically to protect our cells from damage and prevent cancer development. Antioxidants, for example, neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to cancer development. Phytochemicals, on the other hand, are plant compounds that have a variety of health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects. Studies have shown that these compounds can inhibit tumor growth, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and protect DNA from damage. While more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved, the evidence strongly suggests that a diet rich in these superfoods can significantly reduce cancer risk. It's important to note that these foods are most effective when consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. Building an anti-cancer plate doesn't require drastic changes or deprivation. It's about making simple swaps and incorporating these superfoods into your daily meals and snacks. Start by filling half your plate with fruits and vegetables, focusing on berries and leafy greens. Choose whole grains over refined grains and include a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and red meat, which have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. Instead, opt for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils. Remember, variety is key. Aim to consume a rainbow of fruits and vegetables to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet is easier than you think. Here are a few simple and delicious recipe ideas to get you started. For breakfast, start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, nuts, and seeds. For lunch, enjoy a salad packed with leafy greens, grilled chicken or fish, and a variety of colorful vegetables. For dinner, try a salmon fillet baked with a side of roasted vegetables like broccoli, carrots, and sweet potatoes. And for snacks, keep your energy levels up between meals with snacks like a handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or a small container of yogurt topped with berries. Get creative in the kitchen and experiment with different flavor combinations to find what you enjoy most. While diet plays a crucial role in cancer prevention, it's not the only factor. Other lifestyle choices also play a significant role in reducing your risk. Maintain a healthy weight, as obesity is a major risk factor for several types of cancer. Engage in regular physical activity, aiming for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Limit alcohol consumption, and if you choose to drink, do so in moderation. Don't smoke, as smoking is a leading cause of cancer. And get enough sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. By adopting a holistic approach to cancer prevention, you can significantly reduce your risk and improve your overall health and well-being. While the evidence supporting the cancer-fighting properties of these foods is strong, it's important to remember that no single food can prevent cancer on its own. These foods should be consumed as part of a healthy diet and lifestyle. It's also important to note that dietary supplements should not be used as a substitute for a healthy diet. If you have any concerns about your cancer risk or are considering making significant changes to your diet, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian. Our food choices have a profound impact on our health, including our risk of developing cancer. By embracing a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, we can empower our bodies to fight this disease. Remember, every bite is an opportunity to nourish your body and reduce your risk. By making small, sustainable changes to our diets and lifestyles, we can take control of our health and create a future free from cancer. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food.